Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sporifii Learn. Now let's see what are the important questions that is in biology. So many of you were saying like only 4 days gap is there. How can we start our preparation and all? And that's why I'm doing this video. So please do watch this video completely. You'll be having a knowledge that how you can study and how you can plan your 4 days gap in these and all. See, first I'll be saying what are the important question, and at last we will be discussing how many modules to study today, tomorrow, and another 2 days is there, right? So in that, and let's start the further without delay the video. If you're watching my channel without subscribing, make sure subscribe and then watch the video. Also, beside the comment box, you can hype the video also so that it reaches maximum of your friends also. See, first the question is about the structure and function of a cell, prokaryotic, eukaryotic, compare. And next are what is biomolecule and function and properties of nucleic acid, difference between DNA and RNA, what are hormones and their roles, enzymes and their classification, and next is stem cells and their application and types, and next is special biomolecules, and about the short notes on carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, nucleic acids, and lipids. See, module 1 video I have already uploaded. I'll be uploading module 2 also as soon as possible, now itself, after this video immediately. And module 3 will be uploaded tomorrow, and module 4, 5 also, if it is possible, I'll be uploading tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. It will be completed so that you can plan your 5 modules also and study. I hope you have done with module 1. Next we will move on to the module 2. Okay, module 2 is about the CBEWF, that is cellulose based water filter, and advantage and disadvantage. And next is lipids as biodiesels and lipids as cleaning agents, whey as a protein. Next is water, PLA and PHA and their significance, importance of DNA vaccines for rabies and RNA vaccine for COVID-19, working of DNA for fingerprint, and applications, advantage and disadvantage of biosensor. Next is biobleaching, and proteins you have already studied, biomolecules and classification. And next is meat analog of protein. Next is about the module 3, that is brain acts as a CPU system. Next is EEG, that is electroencephalogram, how the heart function as a mechanical pump, explain with the knee diagram. What are pacemaker, explain the basic design and constructor of a pacemaker. Lung as a purification system, eye as a camera system, and a short note on cataract. Next is explain the kidney as a filtration system, write a short note on dialysis. Next is write a short note on defibrillators and bionic eyes, Parkinson disease, and that is COPD and CKD, spirometry and ventilators also you can see. Next is about the explain variable biology, insulin solutions, muscular dystrophy, and robotic arm for prosthetic devices. These all modules which I'm saying the questions, the answers for it, which is required diagram, what is required answer according to the marks, and everything, it is made into a single PDF. If you want the same PDF, please do DM me on Instagram. My Instagram account will be mentioned in description as well. It is Sporifii_learn. Now let's see what is the questions that comes in module 4. Module 4, it's nothing but what is ultrasonography, explain its working and applications and principles. Next is lotus leaf effect, explain the mechanism and applications of the superhydrophobic effect, design and structure of the kingfisher's beak, that is on bullet train, working and applications of bionic leaf technology. Next is HBOCs, that is hemoglobin based oxygen carriers. Next is shark skin inspired materials used in swimsuits and aircraft and all. Next is plant burr by invention of the velcro. And next is the process of photosynthesis and how it has inspired solar energy harvesting systems, compare them, photovoltaic and all functioning, how is echolocation used in human man-made as a sonar and ultrasound devices. And next is write a note on GPS, that is global positioning system technology. The last module if we see, that is about the explain the use of electrical tongue and electrical nose, that is electronic and electrical tongue, electronic nose, electrical tongue, and compare them with their components, that counterparts and all it will be having, right? Next is about the explain bioengineering solutions for osteoporosis. And next is discuss the commonly used bioprinting techniques using the 3D bioprinting. Next is bioimaging, advantages and limitations, and next is the role of AI in disease diagnosis. Almost this question occurs almost like for 10 marks every time. It is one of the repeated question. And next is about the short note on DNA origami and biocomputing. And next you can see is about the explain the removal of heavy metals by biomining and bioremediation, which is also again important. It will be repeating. And next is about the explain the muscular system and skeletal system as natural scaffolds. And next is about the write a short note on self-healing concrete. I hope you have got this. Just I didn't write and all because you can easily take the screenshot and start to prepare for these questions, right? So that is why I didn't add any of the lines here. So now, as I said, I'll be saying what are the questions like module sequence you have to study: module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4 and module 5. First you give the priority for module 1. Next is this. Next you can give for module 5, as it is very easy about diseases and all. This you can give 4 and this you can give the priority of 5. As you easily you can complete. Okay, today is what date? Today it's almost 5th of July. Okay, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th you have. If you have done with one module, you go with 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here I am saying done with module 1. Okay, if you have not done yet, if you have not started your preparation, I am saying today try to do 1.5. Okay, next again you can do here 1.5. that is 3 modules will be completed. Here you can done 4 and 5. Okay, that is how you can plan. This is one of the easiest subject in which you can easily score marks without any, this is theory subject, right? So you should present your paper very well. Easily you can score in this subject. No need to worry at all. Just focus on these questions. If you want the same answer with PDF, please do DM me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Sporifii_learn. And now I'll be saying also, see guys, if you have, I'll be saying how you can present your paper also. See, when you have, this will be the paper means, see, when you have the theory part, first write the definition if you have. Okay, if they ask some question, here will be the margin. Okay, sorry, yeah, here will be the margin, right? So you write the definition, and if it is a diagram, draw it very big, like you will be drawing it as in pen, right? So it will be visible. Your paper will be scanned, so it should be big itself. And next you can, what you can do here is explain the diagram parts and all what you have. Next you can give a theory a part. Okay, next you can write like a conclusion. Yeah, this is what this you felt like that and all, like that you can conclude with the answer at last. These are the 6 parts or 5 parts you have to remember, and you have to write in every question. And if it is diagram is there, please don't try to skip that. That is only the savior, I can say, for all of your answers which you will be writing, because if you know the diagram you can easily explain. Okay, don't try to by heart the diagram. Please try to understand and know the parts and know the functioning of each part. Okay, if you have studied PCMB in your PU, it will be very easy, or else also you can easily study itself. There is no complicated biology here. And that's all for this video. I hope you have understood what are the questions that you need to focus. And thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please do hype the video also, and please do like the video. Thank you for watching. Until next video, bye bye. Meet you in the next video.